Hello? I don't think people understand how crucial it is to know your home's electrical system. Welcome to Positive Electricians. Today, we're diving into the essentials of your home's electrical system. Whether you're a new homeowner or just curious, understanding the basics can make all the difference. Understanding your home's electrical system is easier than you think. Your journey starts at the electrical panel, often called the breaker box. It's the heart of your home's power, distributing electricity to different circuits. Circuits are like highways for electricity, carrying power to your lights, outlets, and appliances. But how does it all stay safe? Breakers in the panel act like traffic cops. If too much current flows, they trip to prevent overloads and fires. Wiring is the unsung hero, hidden in your walls, made of copper or aluminum. It connects everything, from your toaster to your TV. Understanding your home's electrical system can help you make informed decisions and keep your home safe. For any electrical needs, big or small, Positive Electricians is here to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and insights. Call or text 844-411-0240.